Disconnect the power prior to disassembly. Remove 2 screws. Push the top plate backwards and remove it. We will now remove the control panel, which contains the display PCB. Remove 2 screws. Remove the detergent and softener tray. Press the yellow clip down. Remove 2 long screws. Pull the control panel assembly forward and up. Disconnect the display PCB. We will now remove the front. Open the hatch and detach the hose. Remove 1 screw. We will now remove the spring that holds the rubber gasket. You may alter the position of the spring when you reassemble the unit. This may prevent vibrations of the door. Remove 1 or more screws below. Remove left and right screws on the top. Close the door. Remove the middle screw on top. Keep hold of the front to prevent that it falls. Bring the front forward on top and lift it. Check the position of the hooks on the bottom. Disconnect the door lock. Detach all water connections. It is not necessary to remove the balance weights. Instead of hose clamp pliers, you can use a regular set of pliers as well. The 3D multi-assembly hose is held by 2 hose clamps. Use the LG jig to detach the spring and gently remove the gasket. Remove the 3D multi-assembly. Connect the 3D multi-ring with the gasket. Place the spring. Move the spring to the front on the upper part of the gasket. Mount the gasket with the 3D multi-ring. Inspect the gasket rim from all sides. No gaps allowed. Position the spring. You may want to use some soap on the spring to make this easier. Inspect the gasket, spring and rim from all sides. No gaps allowed. Connect the bellows. Inspect the connection. No gaps allowed. Insert the hoses. Position the hose clamps correctly. The 3D multi-hose is held by 2 hose clamps. Inspect the connections. Again, no gaps allowed. Check your work to prevent future leakages. Assemble the front. Place the lock and tighten the lock screws first. Make sure you place the front with the right angle. Place one screw, but do not tighten it completely. Position the gasket. Inspect your work. The lock must be aligned and there are no gaps allowed on the gasket. Position the spring. You may want to use some soap on the spring to make this easier. Normally the spring is placed on the top or the left side. If the door vibrates during operation, you may rotate the spring to reduce the noise. Check your work to prevent future leakages. Tighten the first screw on top and mount the other screws. The quantity of screws depends on the model. Assemble the drain hose case and position the manual drain pipe. The drain hose case is held by one screw. Guide the cable and place the display. Push the display down firmly and tighten 4 screws. Firmly insert the connector. Use the clip to prevent noise during operation. Insert the detergent tray. Place the top cover and tighten 2 screws on the back.